Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have another order that has just come in from Fat Quarter Shop that I want to unbox for you. So let's jump right on in. Okay, I think this is another one of those Fat Quarter bundles. I do get several from Fat Quarter Shop every month. I just like how it kind of keeps my stash really full, and I always get kind of the newest, latest, and greatest. Oop, it's a Lori, you guys. So we've been a little bit behind on some of the Lori Holt fabrics, and I'm actually a little bit late unboxing this, but I'm always happy to get Lori fabrics in. They're just great. Now, these are a lot of greens. This is the March 2025 bundle. And you kind of get like through the months, last month we got a little bit more reds and pinks because it was closer to Valentine's Day. And what I do is I just backfill. I kind of keep these stocked of all my Lori prints. In fact, I have two because I always have so many. But then whenever I'm making a quilt, I can always come rummage through here and find something that'll work to fill in a spot if I'm missing anything. So let's take a look at these fabrics. Okay, again, these are going to be a little bit more of our greens. There's also some gold or mustard kind of mixed in as well. I love this. I think this is bee crosses. This little X pattern is always nice in any of the quilts that I put it in. So this one, I think this is the color they call basil, and then a really light background. And I love a text print, you guys. These seem, the first couple times I saw them in person, I thought they were very, not bold. They weren't bold, but I thought you would see it in the quilt more than you do. I actually really love using this kind of stuff in a background, especially if you have pieces that are a little bit larger. I don't know. I think I'm getting, changing my taste and flavors as I quilt here. And then we've got a nice kind of neutral color. This probably wouldn't be one that I would reach for, but I see they're kind of tying in the green to the theme of this bundle. Again, that's the beauty of these boxes, is I just kind of filled them back up as I use them. And I always actually end up reaching for all the different colors. Another nice neutral, little kind of checks with dots between. Ooh, I like that. That's actually almost a little bit modern for the way that Lori's fabrics usually look. And it doesn't look out of place with this collection, but it's a little bit more modern than her stuff. And if the color isn't showing up super great on here, guys, I always add photographs at the very end of my videos where I try to get good shots with the camera so that you can really see the color and the detail. If you're ever wanting to see more, just fast forward to the end because that's where it'll be. I like this one too. I feel like I've had this, maybe not in this colorway, but I like it. It's called Marigold, which I think is really a fun name. Maybe because I've been planting marigolds in the garden. And that's a nice big gingham. Just to give you some scale, this is my pin cushion. So it's a bigger gingham than what we usually have in some of these quilty bundles. It's cute though. And then some little tiny daisies. I like that. It's a little bit, again, this is a little smaller scale than I think I usually see this type of pattern from Lori, but it's super cute. And then we've got some kind of thyme, basil leaf with some roses, something like that. And this is almost pulling a little bit more army green than a lot of the greens that I have of hers right now. So I'm excited to add these to my stash because it's going to give me a richer depth of colors to choose from. Ooh, I like that. That almost looks like a dill plant. Can you tell I've been in the garden too much? Really fine fern-like leaves and then a cute little blossom at the top, but still pretty dainty in the flowers. And then we've got another great background fabric, you guys. This is a good bundle. Okay, so that's a wrap on our Lori Holt March 2025 bundle. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. If you do, please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.